Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, good good morning, afternoon, or evening. My name is Rizky Darmawan Hasri from Diploma Accounting AK1 2018, and this time I will present my scientific paper as a final requirement for graduation with the title is Financial Performance Analysis of East Java Province Local Government Financial Performance for 2016 until 2020. Measure with the ratio of efficiency, effectiveness, and growth. And so start with the first one is the PIG or introduction. As a background, the essence of regional autonomy is that each region has the right to have the authority and obligation of the autonomous region to regulate and manage all government affairs and the interests of the local community in accordance with the agreed with law and regulation. In the management of regional finance, there are several principles that are formed in a regulation that is managed in an orderly manner by being managed appropriately, supported by administrative evidence that can be account for the creation of effective financial performance with the aim of achieving the achievement of program result with the set target in accordance with Article 4 of the regulation of the Minister of Home Affairs number 13 of 2006 concerning guidelines for regional financial management, which is managed in an orderly manner. Point B, problem formulation. How is the financial performance of the East Java provincial government in the fiscal year 2016 until 2020 when measured using the ratio efficiency, effectiveness, and growth? Point C, objective and benefit of the research. Purpose of the writing to find out how the financial performance of the East Java provincial government in the fiscal year 2016 until 2020 when measured by using the calculation of the ratio efficiency, effectiveness, and efficiency. And growth, is a typo. Number 2 is benefit rating. Theoretical benefits. This result is expected to increase knowledge of the information contained in the analysis of regional finance performance. Point B, practical benefits is this research expected to be useful and beneficial for the parties involved in this research. First one is for the provincial government of East Java, and the second one is for the people of East Java province. And in the chapter 2, theoretical study and research methodology. Point A is theoretical study. Number 1 is regional financial performance. Regional financial performance is an effort made by every agency or company in measuring and assessing the success achieved in generating profits, so that the company can see the prospect growth in the potential development that have been achieved in the agency or company. By Berlian 2003. And the second is regional finance. Definition of regional finance according to law number 23 of 2014, namely regional finance is all regional right and obligation that can be valued in money and everything in the form of money and goods that can be used as regional property related to the implementation of this right and obligation. And then point B, sort of regional financing call. For the implementation of the collection of regional fund, stakeholder will decentralize or delegate part or even all the regional financial power, official. As started in the Ministry of Finance, local revenue source consists of financial source which include regional organ income or PAD. Number 2 is Bensiang Fund, and the third one is other income. Management regional finance. Law number 33 of 2004 stipulate the basis of for structuring regional financial management and accountability. With regional autonomy, region has the authority to manage and regulate finance independent by using regional finance principles. These principles are income, original region or PAD, is the first one is accountability, number two is transparency, number three is honesty, and fourth control. And the third is budget, income, and expenditure area. Point is understanding APBD. APBD is concept from comprehensive regional financial work plan that links regional government revenues and expenditure expressed in the form of money to achieve the planned goal with a certain period of one fiscal year. Point B, type of APBD is based on law number 32 of 2004, Article 157. The sort of regional income are classified into four. These are as follows: regional income or PAD, revenue sharing fund or DBH, general allocation fund or DAU, and special allocation fund or DAK. The function of APBD include the Minister of Fair Regulation of 2006 states that the APBD has several functions, including the following: authorization function, oversight function, distribution function, planning function, allocation function, and stabilization function. Number 5, regional financial performance measurement ratio. Measurement local government financial performance. In research this time, the researcher used three ratio measurement regional financial performance, namely efficiency ratio, effectiveness ratio, and growth ratio. Point A, regional financial efficiency ratio. According to Mahmoudi, 2010, efficiency ratio is a ratio that describes the comparison between output and input as well as the relation of expenditure with the realization of regional revenue. The purpose of measuring the efficiency ratio is to find out how high level of realization of local government revenue. Government indication can be considered efficient if the ratio shift is below 100%. So the smaller the efficiency ratio, the more efficient and the better development of local government. The formula is ratio efficiency is total regional expenditure realization per total revenue realization x 100%. Regional financial effectiveness ratio. Effectiveness ratio used to measure the ability of local government so to realize or planned PAD compared to the target set based on a real potential of the region. The purpose of using this ratio is to find out how much capacity local government have a set the greater of ratio of PAD realization compared to the budget target. The higher the level of effectiveness of regional financial management. Otherwise, the formula used in calculating the effectiveness ratio something areas as follows Abdul Halim. The formula is ratio effectiveness is realization of PAD patch up target PAD x 100%. Regional and the last one is regional financial performance growth ratio. Ratio growth is to measure the government ability to maintain and enhance the success that has been achieved over the last several periods by knowing the growth for each component of government revenue and expenditure source. The growth ratio has a function to evaluate which potential need attention. Calculating the growth ratio based on component which is divided into regional revenue growth, which includes regional revenue or PAD and total regional revenue, and regional expenditure which include direct and indirect expenditure. for its fiscal year as the formula for the performance growth ratio regional finance as follow. Growth ratio PAD, regional original income, PAD year, pay and PAD year before this year. X 100%, catch up with PAD year last year, and ratio total revenue growth area is total income year min total PAD year last year multiplies 100% catch up with total income year last year. Regional indirect spending growth ratio shopping last year shopping minus shopping last year one multiplies with 100% equals with shopping not last year. Regional direct spending growth ratio direct shopping year means with direct shopping year X 100% catch up with shopping last year. And number 6 component of the budget realization report referring to the government budget realization report or LRA area of East Java regional province. The realization curve is divided into 3 components. Besides the function of income, expenditure, and financing used for regional operation and regional development for internal and external. And the regional income is component regional income is divided into locally generated revenue, balancing fund, and other legitimate income. In the account classification in the budget realization report, regional income get account code with number 4 and the addition of a 1-digit number when the component division and the addition of a 2-digit number for the income sector. And the regional shopping in budget realization is in expenditure in the budget realization report are state or regional generally treasury account with reduce the excess budget balance in one fiscal year period. In the implementation refers of East Java Provincial Government Budget Realization Report, regional expenditure component are divided into direct shopping and indirect shopping. In the account classification in the budget realization report, regional expenditure obtain an account code with number 5 and the addition of 1-digit number beyond for component division and addition of 2-digit number for the expenditure sector. And the third one is regional financing in implementation, which refer of East Java Provincial Government Budget Realization report. The regional financing component are divided into regional financing revenue and regional financing expenditure. In the account classification in the budget realization report, regional expenditure obtain an account code with number 6 and the addition of 1-digit number beyond for the division of component or the addition of 2-digit number. And the last one is a analysis of regional financial performance measurement, referring to the ratio is by the author and measuring by financial performance of the regional government of East Java Province. The author used 3 ratios to analyze the regional financial performance. Which follow efficiency ratio. The step of the for analyzing efficiency ratio is follow: collect information and identify budget, and counting ratio based on its fiscal year with a formula, and third is determine the result of the classification, and the last one is making conclusion from the efficiency ratio analysis based on result form calculation efficiency value financial performance area. And this the criteria 100% up is not efficient, 19 until 100% is less efficient, 18 until 90 is quite efficient, 16 until 80% is efficient, less than 60% very efficient. And the ratio effectiveness ratio, the step is first one is gather information and identify budget data and realization PAD and count PAD effectiveness ratio and determine the result and make the conclusion of the effectiveness ratio. So this is the criteria of regional financial effectiveness. Effectiveness is efficiency criteria and efficiency is 100% is very effective, and the under 100 is very effective, 80 until 90% effective enough, 60 until 80% is less effective, and less than 16 is ineffective. Growth ratio, and the last one is growth ratio. The step is gather information and identify budget. Second is calculate the growth ratio, the formula. And third is determine the result of effectiveness value. And fourth is making conclusion from the effectiveness ratio analysis based on result from calculation. And growth analysis assessment criteria is growth percentage and management of the category. Above 10% is very low, 11 until 20% is low, 20 until 30% is generally friendly, and below above 40% is very low. And point B is research methodology. First, place and time which whether choose the regional government of the Java province is as object research and do study in September 2021 until finish. Number 2 is research method, a quantitative descriptive method. In this study, the author will explain the process of calculating the financial performance of the East Java provincial government as measured by the efficiency ratio and effectiveness ratio of the regional financial performance calculation to assess the financial performance of the East Java provincial government. And the point B is data collection technique. In this study, the author completed documentation by collecting supported document in the form of the East Java provincial government budget realization report or LRA for the 2016 to 2020 fiscal year. Data analysis technique. In study, the author conducted data analysis using several research. Step as follow. First one is collect all information. Number 2 is identify all the information. Number 3 is identify its local government. And number 4 is perform financial performance calculation. And number 5 is determine the result. Number 6 is do analysis in the ratio on the criteria of the Ministry of Home Affairs. Number 690, 990, 900, 327, 196. And number 7 is make the conclusion from the result of the analytical of the two local government financial ratio is in accordance with the data and calculation that have been carried out. So this is the framework of the thinking. Is Java provincial, is the upper, and the tier 2 is efficiency ratio, ratio growth, and effectiveness ratio, and then financial performance analysis and conclusion. And let's begin with chapter 3, discussion, case description. In the case description, the calculation and measurement of financial performance, which is measured by various financial performance calculation ratios, including independence, efficiency, and effectiveness. Growth and many other financial performance calculation ratio can be used. The calculation and measurement of financial performance must be carried out regular analytical procedure as well as accompanying budget realization data. And the first one is the analysis provincial government with the financial performance. Java is Java based on efficiency ratio. This research data in the 2016 until 2020, and this is the nominal of total of PAD and realization of swapping. So this is efficiency ratio calculation. The ratio is ratio efficiency total regional expenditure realization based up with total revenue realization multiply with 100%. So this is the calculation result 83.86% 2016, 96.69 is for 2017, 96% for 2018, 2019 is 101%, 2020 is 102%. And the result of regional government efficiency is from 6 is ratio calculation. This can be calculated and average from the efficiency ratio per square, which is to obtain of result is 96%, and can be classified is less efficient in managing regional finance according in the measurement criteria in accordance with the degree of Mr. Home of home affairs. Therefore, it must be an effort from the local government to make change and improvement to the financial management work system so that the value of financial performance efficiency can be achieved with a good value. And this is the result of criteria of ratio efficiency. So let's the second one is analytical financial performance. Financial performance Java is based on effectiveness ratio, and this is the data. So for the calculation, this is the formula. The realization of PAD match up with target PAD multiply with 100%. So this is the result, the calculation result 100.72 for 2016, 109.29% is for 2017, 100.80% for 2018, 106.12% is 2019, 116.19 for 2020. Ratio analysis result effectiveness regional government. Hope it can be seen that the effectiveness ratio was stable with increase in 2019 atau in 2019 it decreased and experienced a very drastic in this 20 fiscal year. Measurement of financial performance based on ratio rational criteria refers to the degree of Minister of Fair number 900 2027 1096. The assessment of the financial performance of this Java provincial government 2006 and effectiveness level that exceed 100%, which is 108.72%, indicating that the Java provincial government revenue management performance is very effective in realizing PAD source, especially divided into income from local taxation. So this is the result of calculation of effectivity ratio. And two is, and the third one, so this type of game analysis provincial government financial performance is Java based on growth ratio. So this is the research data. So this the first one is calculation of financial performance growth ratio with original income area or PAD. Ratio formula growth PAD. Formula is per the year minus PAD PAD last year, X1 multiply with 100%, pass up with PAD last year. Growth PAD 2016 until 2017 is 9%. Growth PAD financial performance 2017 until 2018 is 7%. In the 2018 until 19 is 4%, and until 2020 is 7%. And then this ratio calculation total growth income, growth total performance revenue finance 2016 until 17 is 16%, 17 until 18%, 70 until 87%, 18 until 19 is 4%, 19 until 20 is minus 5%. And then calculation of the percentage of growth in financial performance with regional shopping. So this is the formula, and for the first calculation is 18 until 90 is 8%, 19 until 20 is minus 1%, growth direct shopping financial performance 16 until 70 is 26%, 17 until 18 is 10%. And the last one is the indirect shopping year, and this is the formula. And for 16 under 70 is 18%. Growth in direct shopping financial 17 under 18 is 8%. 18 under 9 until 19 is 12%. And then under 20 is minus 1%. And the result of regional government financial performance growth ratio analysis province Java from the result of the categorization and the calculation of financial performance growth based on the efficiency and effectiveness of the regional government of East Java province in growth. It obtained an average percentage in the category of financial management ability with a very low value, including regional income, is divided into regional original income and total regional income and expenditure, which are divided in direct expenditure and indirect expenditure. Therefore, there must be an increase in capacity in financial management of regional revenue and expenditure of the East Java regional government. Growth based on realization report data annual budget the 2016 to 20 budget is classified as very low, which is component calculation average with a value of 25% for PAD growth, 75% for revenue growth, 10% for direct expenditure, and 8% for indirect expenditure growth. And the chapter 4 is conclusion is the first one is performance East Java provincial government finance and when calculated with efficiency ratio is less efficient with average 96.03%. The result of this calculation show that the East Java provincial government does not optimize spending and spending local government for various purpose. And the second is performance the East Java provincial government finance that when calculated with the effectiveness ratio based on the budget realization, report data for the 2016 to 20 fiscal year are classified as very effective with the average of 110.42%. And the last one is performance the East Java provincial government finance when calculated with the growth ratio based on the budget realization report data for the 2016 to 20 fiscal year as classified is very low which component is 3% for PAD growth, 7% for growth of total revenue, 10% for direct expenditure, and X% for indirect expenditure growth. And this is the suggestion. First is for the regional government of the Java province. Government is Java is expected to improve its performance, and regional government of East Java is expected to future optimize regional income or PAD. In component taxes are mainly on the industrial sector. And when C is the regional government of East Java province is expected to provide more information detail on its account and component. And the future researcher is this research is expected to be a reference regarding analytical research, financial performance, regional government next, and researcher furthermore is expected to have a better understanding of the government financial performance are with usable ratio and with more years of observation. Many show that research and can more reliable and more extensive that can be the current study. And this the end of this presentation. Thank you for your attention, and sorry for the very minimal presentation because it is too close with the deadline, and pray for me to which so thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.